you ready for school, my boy? I'm going to the market this afternoon. I can wait outside your school, and we can walk home together.
Grandma, please don't come to my school.
Ma. Why not, Tao?
The other kids make fun of me when they see you. They say you're old.
I see. All right, my boy. I won't come.
Tao, is your old grandmother coming to collect you again today? No, she won't be coming anymore. I told her not to. Good. She looks old enough to be everyone's grandmother.
Today, write about someone who has loved and sacrificed for you. Never be ashamed of someone who sacrificed their comfort, strength, and youth to give you a better life. Tao, could you stay for a moment? You're not in trouble. I just want to talk.
Did I do something wrong, miss?
No. But I noticed the other students laughing, and I saw how much it affected you.
They were laughing because my grandmother came to school. They think she looks old and poor.
Those wrinkles and tired hands tell the story of someone who worked and sacrificed for you. They are nothing to be ashamed of. And what does your grandmother mean to you, Tao?
I was afraid my friends would keep teasing me. I didn't want them to see me walking with her.
Peer pressure can make us forget who we are. We sometimes hurt good people just to please those who may not truly care about us. Think about the sacrifices your grandmother made when nobody was watching. Who cared for you when you were sick, frightened, or hungry?
Grandma did. She always stayed with me. Even when she was tired, she never complained. I hurt her because I wanted other people to accept me. I need to go home and make things right.
Then go to her, Tao. Walk beside her proudly while you still have the blessing of her presence.
Grandma, let me carry that for you. Grandma, I'm sorry. From now on, I'll always walk beside you.
There is nothing to forgive, my son. I am proud of you.
Grandma, will you come and meet me after school tomorrow?
Of course, my son. I would love to do that.
Grandma! Come on, Grandma. Let's walk home together.
We shouldn't have laughed at him.
You made my heart very happy today, my boy.
I love you, Grandma. I'll never be ashamed to walk beside you again.
And I'll always be proud to walk beside you, my boy.